Target filled.
Perfect. Traders, what's up? Okay, so here's what I saw today. There was a down channel with a break and a new low. This channel got a break and a new low. And this channel got its break and a new low. So everything was set to fade this range. I went long here on this second entry long, not the best looking signal bar. But okay trade, the reward was just too tempting to be ignored. I took this trade for 16 points. Beautiful range fading. So we had three things happening all in our favor. Down channel with a break and a new low, so we are set for long for this huge channel. This channel got a break and a new low, so we are set for long for this channel. And this channel got its break and a new low, so we are set to go long for this channel. Now at that point, this was a clear range for me. So it's a down leg with a break and a new low, second entry long, fading the range. Great trade.
Target filled.
Perfect.